Hey YouTube, let's rock out. What's good, man? I think it's like day 5. It's day 6, almost 1 week after, 1 week after the surgery. Um, I'm straight. You feel me? I'm not bad. You know what I'm saying? But I did realize as I was doing the little intro thing, uh, I need my camera to edit this video because that's exactly what I was gonna do. I need another camera, but I do have breakfast at 6 p.m. I'm hungry, bro. Low key was supposed to be breakfast at about like 5, 4, but my tripod is missing. And I spent time looking for that. So, yeah. And don't nobody know where it's at. Yeah, I'm getting hit with the, it should still be there. If it was there, I would not be asking anybody. One thing though, since the surgery, I'm still getting crazy headaches, bro. Like even now, I'm fighting through a headache. It's killing me. Hey, you two, what's going on, man? Hey, how y'all doing? It's been 7 days since the surgery. You feel me? I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling better. I'm straight. But yesterday, it was a snowstorm, and today I'm finna shovel the driveway. Yesterday, I ain't pick up the camera. I should have honestly picked the camera up, but I was like, low key tired. I'm low key still tired. I think I'm tired because of my lack of um doing things. I've been in the house for 7 days. I think I left the house one time, once or twice. So yeah, I'm feeling it. And I ain't gonna lie, looking at my teeth, man. Hey, I be freaking I got braces, but hey, that shit looking.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
I'm finna go show this driveway because I gotta leave tomorrow, and I'd rather just get it done today than have to do it tomorrow. But I waited too late. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't wake up today till like 12. I woke up. My mama woke me up around like 7 or 8. Basically told me to get out of the room. Cause she worked from home. So she told me to get out that room. I was sleeping in that room. She's like, get out. You're snoring. I was like, I'm snoring. Fuck. Kicked me out. I came downstairs, went back to sleep. It's 12. It was 12 when I woke up. I just been chilling all day. It is 4:30. I just ate like 30 minutes ago. Or 20 minutes ago. I was gonna wait, but there's no sunlight outside no more. So I'm finna shovel the snow. This some bullshit. I'm finna start right here. First, I'm finna see if my car start, actually. That's the number one question. Man, I ain't talking about, oh, it's gonna be a lot of snow. Man, this shit light. See if my car start. I got snow in my socks already, yo.
Yes, sir.
Take it back, there's actually a lot of snow. Alright, so think of it like this. This is my first battle of the year. Shoveling the driveway. When you think about it, this is me in the driveway.
Shut the fuck up.
And like, it's a battle, bro. I'm gonna win though. But you gotta look at it like this, like the perspective you gotta look at it in. Like, you feel me? It's cold as hell outside. That's perspective you gotta look at it.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Come down here.
I know. Hey, YouTube, what's going on, man? We trapping off the Feezy. Left the cam at the crib. It is 2 days later. I should have picked the camera. I should have grabbed the camera yesterday. I went door dashing and shit, and I had content. I got stuck 3 times, and I damn near crashed. So that would have been something to record. I ain't gonna hold you. God was with me all day. Thank God, God is good. You feel me? But yeah, I'm out in the sneezy again. This time, it's a little calm. Nigga still can't drive. Cuz ass got stuck though. I pray you get out that situation. Damn. Why did she go out that way? Why did she go out that way though? It's like, I feel bad, but that's kind of like poor situational aware. I don't know, bro. I wouldn't have went out that side. I would have tried to go around. I ain't gonna hold you. I feel bad though. Damn, nigga, go help. Fuck is you doing? Nigga, protect this or this nigga like, that's not my problem. They didn't call. Like, what? But yeah, I'm finna go get some food for me and my mama and my little brother. Yeah. No cap, no kizzy. I do have one complaint though. You know what I'm saying? My main complaint right now is driving on the highway. Everybody act like they can't drive, bro. Like, the highways is clear. You feel me? The highways is clear. There's no ice. There's barely water. And there's a lot of space. People are acting like they can't drive. The regular roads is way understandable because there's barely any room to operate. I mean, look at this. Like, sometimes there's barely any room to operate, but even right now, like, it's, you know what I'm saying? It's less room for error. But it's like, bro, people are driving below the speed limit. Free space, no ice, no snow. Let it be dry. Mugs is driving out they mind. Driving like they gotta go to the court. And they late. Like, they driving crazy, bro. I tell you, bro. I promise you, I will never lie to you. Like, bro. Even yesterday, last night when I was out making bread, I was just tripping. Like, bro, why are you driving? It's a 40. Why are you driving 25? See, that's where I have problems. Oh, it's like, if you go do all that, get off the road, bro. Like, stay safe off the road. I'ma stay safe, but you feel me? Get out the way. At least make room, you feel me? Like, bro, I got things I gotta get done. You're, but nah, man. Hope y'all been enjoying the video. Hope y'all enjoy everything, all the content I've been bringing. You know what I'm saying? I might do have a video to record later on today. I gotta see. I'm trying to flood y'all. I'm telling you, hey, it's about that time. I got the news. I'm not gonna get y'all hip yet. That's something for a later date. But you know what I'm saying? I really gotta get on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy. I ain't gonna lie. Everything, the way everything is happening right now just makes sense. Like, it makes so much sense. Hey, YouTube, let's rock out. What's up, y'all? It's later in the day. I caught a headache. So I really just been chilling for real, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just here to do one thing. And that's to end this whole focus bit. That's the end this whole, oh my God, the quality just looks so good. I can't even lie to you. But to end this video off, you feel me? So I love y'all. I appreciate all the support. I love y'all be showing, man. I love y'all for sure. Like, y'all be going crazy. I think I got like 200 views on one of my videos now. We like, damn, for sure. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, if you like my content, you like me as a person, you like watching my videos, man, go ahead and sub up, man. Join 1 million, man. We need more members, bro. 1 million is on the rise. If you like the video, go ahead and like that, Joe. You feel me? Hey, hit that thumbs up. Also, after you subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell. You feel me? Get the notifications on when I post a video. You feel me? You might never know. I might post back to back one day. You hear me? And then after that, go ahead and hit the comment section, man. Say what you need to say. Say what you want to say. Free ball game down there. You hear me? Say if you like the video, you dislike it. Let your opinion be known. I'm gonna respond regardless. But anyways, love y'all, man. Be easy, man. Go stupid. Go crazy. Go jab it. And we on that 1 million shit.
He smoking that shit again.